Want a high-end tablet without the Apple/Samsung price tag? In 2025, Chinese brands are dominating with huge screens, insane specs, and crazy durability. Today, I'm testing 5 powerhouse tablets from AliExpress. Let's find your perfect match. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. Global version 14-inch Android 14 tablet. This is a 14-inch Android 14 tablet with a 1920 by 1200 IPS display, 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage, and a huge 12,000 mAh battery. Great for gaming, study, or work. The massive screen and storage make this ideal for multimedia or multitasking. It even supports 4G LTE, making it great on the go. Pros: large 14-inch screen, massive battery, Android 14 with 4G LTE. Great for games and media. If you want a giant Android tablet for entertainment or productivity, this is a killer deal. Number 2. Blackview OSCAL Pad 100 to 12-inch Android 15 tablet. Featuring a 12-inch 2K FHD plus display, Unisoc T615 chip, up to 24 GB RAM with expansion, 256 GB ROM, and Android 15, this is a future-ready tablet. Smooth performance, solid screen quality, and the latest Android make this a great all-around choice for media and productivity. Plus, it has a 9,000 mAh battery. Pros: Android 15. Huge RAM, expandable, 2K resolution. Great value for features. For a balanced, future-proof Android tablet, the OSCAL Pad 100 is hard to beat. Number 3. Huion Kamvas 13 Graphics Tablet Monitor. Not your typical Android tablet, the Huion Kamvas 13 is a drawing monitor for creatives. It features a 13.3-inch pen display, 8,192 pressure levels, and works with Android, Windows, and macOS. Perfect for digital artists, it offers pro-level drawing features at a budget price. Stylus response is excellent, and the AG glass helps reduce glare. Pros: great stylus support, compatible with multiple OS. Ideal for digital art, premium pen performance. If you're an artist or designer, the Kamvas 13 is the best value drawing tablet around. Number 4. GMPad P2W Rugged Tablet with Android 14. A rugged beast. The GMPad P2W comes with 11-inch FHD display, MediaTek G99, 8GB plus 256 GB Widevine L1 support, and Android 14 in a drop-proof, waterproof shell. Perfect for harsh environments, whether you're outdoors, in construction, or just rough on your gear. Great performance with a solid screen for media too. Pros: rugged build, waterproof/drop-proof. Widevine L1 for Netflix in HD. Android 14, decent performance. A tough, functional tablet that doesn't compromise on modern features. Ideal for work or the outdoors. Number 5. Chewy Opad Compact Power with Snapdragon 685. The Chewy Opad features a 10.95-inch FHD plus 2K display, Snapdragon 685 processor, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, and 4G LTE. Also packs a 13MP rear camera and 7,000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging. Light, slim, and reliable. Great for everyday tasks, reading, and streaming with the Snapdragon chip providing smooth performance. Pros: Snapdragon 685 chipset, sharp 2K display, good camera, fast charging, and LTE. The Chewy Opad is the best compact tablet for media and daily use with excellent value for money. And that wraps up our top 5 best Chinese tablets on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're a gamer, student, digital artist, or professional, there's a perfect pick for you on this list. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more gadget reviews. Drop a comment below which one's your favorite.